All right, let's go over the manual of this meter. Com terminal. Okay. This is page. All right, so we got page 1, 2. That's your symbols. Okay. Voltage ranges. The accuracy. Okay. It's not saying anything about that adapter, is it? Maybe it mentions this by number or something. Let's go back to the directions. See if we can shake this thing around. Oh my God, you should get a stand. Diode test. Capacitance tests. Measuring whatever's. Measuring resistance. Did we see the HFE one? Battery placement. Oh, there's a fuse in there? I didn't see what the fuse was. One-year warranty. All right. Well, there it is. Those who wanted a closer inspection. Alrighty then. And to note, this one came new out of the box where the wire to the terminal was not even soldered. So I had to cut this open and solder the wire to the terminal and then seal it back up. And no, I'm not going to be doing 600 volts on here where it's going to jump through that.